represent or locate root 2 on the number line. To locate root 2 on the number line, first we have to draw a number line. We can take any measurement as 1 unit. Like the same way, and just mark here 0, this one 1, 2. Points we can mark like the same way. On the left side of 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, etc. It is going on. And take 1 unit. If you are taking 1 unit, this is, we can mark as A, that point mark as A. Then from there, you have to draw a perpendicular. Perpendicular you can draw by using the protractor. Keep that center of the protractor on that A, point A and the baseline, and mark there on top 90 degree. And we can join that line. These 2 points, we will get the perpendicular line. Here when we are taken just 1 unit, same as that. Here I have taken 1 inch, not the centimeter. So 1 inch, same as that you have to take here also. 1 unit. This you can take it by using the compass also. The same unit from here you have to take on the perpendicular line and mark it. And that point we can mark as B. Now we have taken this unit OA as 1 unit. Same way this AB, that also 1 unit. Then join O and B. OB. Now we are getting, by applying Pythagoras theorem, we can see that is OAB is a right angle triangle. This is the perpendicular, so 90 degree. So OAB is a right angle triangle. We can apply Pythagoras theorem. So hypotenuse square is equal to, that means OB square is equal to base square plus altitude square. OA square plus AB square. Here OA is 1 unit. That means 1 square plus AB also the same unit, 1 square. So we will get that as 1 square plus 1 square, 1 plus 1, 2. Now OB square is equal to 2. That means OB is equal to root 2. But we got this length OB as root 2. Next we have to represent that the length OB on the number line. For that, take OB in your compass. Same way, OB in your compass, and O as the center, draw an arc on the number line. This point we can mark as P. So this is the representation of root 2 on the number line. This P, point P, representing root 2 on this number line. This is the representation. When you are getting the question, represent or locate root 2 on the number line. This is the way we can mark it, and root P is the point representing root 2.